As will be evident, I am totally blind and have been so since the age of 3. I never saw very well. I saw colors and so forth, although they made a huge impression, and I still remember quite vividly seeing those colors and what I thought of them. Despite that disability, science has always attracted me. Natural history has always attracted me, and thanks to my parents and brother, who were about as good as one could ever hope to have, as well as to various teachers who were also very encouraging. The key for me has always been careful observation. Now, there are plenty of scientists who have their own disabilities. For example, E.O. Wilson, the ant specialist and major conservationist ecologist, was nearsighted. Paul Ehrlich, another entomologist, worked on butterflies, was colorblind. My brother-in-law is a meteorologist, Edward Zipser, who is also colorblind. They, like me, overcame these obvious disadvantages, and we took advantage of what we still have left. In my case, the sense of touch and all the other senses that I use. And of course there are impediments. For example, there is not enough literature easily available in Braille or even in audio formats. But you have to find mechanisms to overcome this. But most importantly, you have to use your own senses and to gain a sensory picture of the world as you perceive it. In my case, of course, that is touch. And I've taken advantage of that by discovering all kinds of features of shells that others who are sighted have overlooked, or just simply never bothered to record. It's an entire question, however, of careful observation with one's brain in gear. And there is no reason in the world why people with disabilities can't do that, despite their limitations. All you have to remember is that everyone has limitations, and we all have to overcome them.